What's the meaning of charge sheet? Charge sheet. Charge sheet.
Charge sheet. Charge sheet. A charge sheet is a legal document that outlines the charges against an individual who is accused of committing a crime. It is prepared by law enforcement officials after the completion of an investigation and includes details such as the name of the accused, the offenses they have been charged with, and any evidence that supports those charges. The charge sheet serves as a formal accusation and must be presented in court during the trial proceedings. If the accused is found guilty, the charge sheet will be used to determine the appropriate punishment for their actions.